Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Vastara, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about a topic named network devices. An interconnection of multiple devices, which are also known as hosts, that are connected using multiple paths for the purpose of sending or receiving data, are known as network devices. The computer networks can also include multiple devices or mediums which help in the communication between two different devices. These are also known as network devices and include things such as routers, switches, hubs, and bridges. These are the basic diagrams of router, hub, bridge, wireless routers, switch, and wireless bridges. These all are the network devices. Let's discuss about in brief about all of these network devices. Router. A router is a computer or networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks, including internetworks such as global internet. A hub is the central part of something such as a wheel, propeller, or fan through which the axle passes. A bridge is a network device that connects multiple subnetworks to create a single network. It provides interconnection with other computer networks that use the same protocol. A wireless router is a device that allows devices to connect to a network without the need for physical cables. It uses radio frequencies to transmit data wirelessly between devices and the router. A switch in a computer network is a hardware device that connects multiple devices such as computers, servers, printers, and wireless access points to a network. Wireless bridge is a device that connects two networks or network segments wirelessly, allows devices on each network to communicate with each other. Do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.